Hi, this is Amrita, and today I have a super special video for you because it's a DIY. Not something you'll find me doing very often, but this is one of my favorite photography tools, and it's called a snoot. Now, many of you may not know what a snoot is, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to make one on your own, as well as how to use it to make your images stand out a lot more. I hope you enjoyed watching this video because we had a lot of fun making this one for you. If you happen to make a snoot and take some pictures, don't forget to tag us when you upload those pictures because we'd love to see what magic you create with this. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.